Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create groups in your Hapara classes. So I went back to teacherdashboard.com. I'm in my dashboard. The class that I am in now is Anne-Marie Pierce's class from last school year. And I'm simply going to come over to this icon that looks like two people standing next to each other. So it says group filter if I just hover over top of it. And once I am in here, you can see it says filter groups, tick the groups you want to show on your dashboard, rename groups, click text to edit group names. Okay, so what does that mean? So right now I have all groups showing. I have my checkbox. So if I click on, let's say I want to see group 1. Well, nobody's going to be there because no groups were assigned. So what I can do is I can come in here and I can change the group names. So let's say I want to see, say, Joe Demo 1, Joe Demo 2, or Joe Demo 3. Okay. Now, obviously, these are just for my demo. You can name these for if you had IEP students or if you had different levels of students that you wanted to push things out to. The students will never know what group they're in. The only person who will ever see this is you, the teacher. So now I have 3 different groups. To put the students in the groups, I'm going to come up next to their name, and in the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, I'll click on Edit Groups, and I'll put this student in Joe Demo 1. If I hover over top of it, I'll see that. And I'll put them in group 6 as well. I'm going to click the X to save it. And another nice thing about this is it'll show you the color, and you can hover over top of it above their name to see what group they're in just by looking at it. So I'll put this student in, and I will put the student in too. And you can see I've already put other students in. So now if I wanted to see just that group, I'd come up here, I'd check the box next to Joe Demo 1, and you can see only those students appear. If I can do the same thing for Joe Demo 2, okay, and so on. And I can choose more than one group at a time if I would like. So I have Joe Demo 2 and Joe Demo 3. Now, it's nice to be able to group these so you can just see them easily, but also so that later when I show you how you can share things out, you can share it just to these students in the groups and not the entire class. Then you don't have to go through and select students individually. As always, contact the tech department if you need any help, and we'd be happy to.